Urgent help needed for Myanmar earthquake survivors. A powerful earthquake has devastated Myanmar, leaving over 1,000 dead and thousands injured. Buildings collapsed, hospitals are overwhelmed, and survivors urgently need food, water, and medical aid. How you can help? Donate. Even a small amount can provide life-saving relief. We accept crypto and traditional donations. Share, spread awareness to reach more people. Volunteer if you have expertise. Your skills can make a difference. Act now. Click the link in the description to donate and support emergency relief efforts. Together, we can turn crisis into hope.